Welcome to Marco Island Mobile Computer Repair, your trusted solution for fast and convenient computer repairs. We bring expert service directly to your home or office in Marco Island, Florida. Why choose us? We come to you. No need to unplug or transport your device. Our experts handle everything on site, ensuring maximum convenience and minimal disruption to your day. Our comprehensive services include laptop and desktop repairs, virus and malware removal, software and hardware upgrades, data recovery and backup, network and Wi-Fi troubleshooting, printer and peripheral setup, and more. We understand the importance of your computer. That's why we offer same-day and next-day service in Marco Island, Florida, ensuring your tech issues are resolved swiftly. Get a free quote today. Call 239-387-9900 or visit marcoislandmobilecomputerrepair.com to explore our competitive pricing and transparent service options. We assist home users, small businesses, remote workers, seniors, and tech beginners, providing tailored solutions for every need and skill level. We tackle slow computers, cracked laptop screens, blue screen errors, internet connection problems, email and software issues, and data loss recovery. Simply call us at 239-387-9900, schedule a convenient time, and we'll come to your location to fix your computer quickly and efficiently. Our clients love our fast service and expert repairs. We guarantee your satisfaction with every job we undertake. Contact us today.